One of the challenges of drilling with a cordless drill is how do you know when the bit is perfectly straight so you get a perfectly straight hole? Well, you may have seen this trick before where you can take any square block of wood, in this case a 2x4, and you hold it in place and you put the bit up against, you align the bit with the block, and now you know you're perfectly straight, right? That's a great tip, except what about this direction? It doesn't help you with this direction, only in one direction. So here's a better idea. I just took a couple of little pieces of 1x4, I screwed them together to form this inside angle. That's what you need, that inside corner. And now, when you put the bit in place to drill and you hold this jig up against it, you put the bit right in the corner. And now, as you can see, it's being held in both directions, perfectly square. And you just drill your hole. And if you cut the block the right length, which I did here purposely, you see I have 3/4 of an inch sticking out. That's exactly what I need, a 3/4 inch deep hole. And so I can just drill down, and when the chuck hits the top of the jig, your hole's done.